Hello everyone. In this video we will discuss some of the previous year questions of JEE Mains from the chapter of Laws of Motion. Now this question was asked in JEE Mains 2018. Now if I draw the FBD, it will be something like this. M2 is given as 10, so let us put that as 10. This M is unknown. There is a tension T. Since the complete system is in equilibrium, we can say static friction will be acting. There will be a normal, and then there will be a 10 plus M into G that will be acting if I consider 10 and M as a system. For M1, FBD will be something like this. So if I establish equilibrium for M1, it will be T minus 50 equal to 0. So T is 50. Now let's pay our attention to this part. Can I say normal will be equal to 10 plus M into G, which is 10. So normal is 100 plus 10M. Mu is given as 0.15. So limiting friction will be mu into N. So it will be 3 by 20, 100 plus 10M. है ना, 0.15 को 3 by 20 लिख लिए, ठीक है. Okay. Static friction should be equal to tension so that net force in horizontal direction becomes 0. So static friction then will become equal to 50 क्योंकि हमको पता है टेंशन का वैल्यू 50 है. I always know that Fs should be less than equal to Fl, right? So Fl should be greater than equal to static friction. So 100 plus 10M should be greater than equal to 1000 by 3. So M will come out to be greater than 23.3 kg. है ना. तो M का वैल्यू ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू 23.3 kg होना चाहिए. तो 18.3 नहीं हो सकता, 10.3 नहीं हो सकता. Out of the given options, the minimum value that satisfies the condition is 27.3. So I will give the answer as option 2. Right? So this is the workaround of this particular problem. Right? Now if we consider this question, it was from 2017 mains paper. A body of mass m equal to 10 to the power minus 2 kg experiences a force V0 is given in 10 seconds. This is the energy. So can I say, if this is the energy after 10 seconds, I can rewrite this in this manner. So can I say the speed has become V0 by 2? Correct? Right? The speed has become V0 by 2. So I can write at t equal to 0, it is V0. At t equal to 10, it is V0 by 2. F is equal to minus kv square. F can be written as m dv by dt minus k by v square. M by k dv by v square minus dt. If I integrate, at 0 it is V0, at 10 it is V0 by 2. Can I say m by k dv by v square integration will be minus 1 by v. V0 by 2 is equal to minus 10. M by k minus 2 by V0 minus of minus 1 by V0 is minus 10. . this will become minus 1 by V naught. Let me put the value of V naught. It's 10. K then is equal to which is hence the required answer is option 3. This is the workaround, right? Let's take a look at this question. This is from Mains 2015. Now, if I look at the FBD of A, and this will be balanced by static friction Fs1, right? If I draw for B, normal from wall, normal between A and B, mg, Fs1 downwards. I'm assuming the entire system to be in equilibrium. So Fs2 will act here. Okay. So if I now assume equilibrium conditions, I can say Fs1 is equal to 20 and Fs2 then will be equal to Fs1 plus 100. I know Fs1 is 20, so this will be 20 plus 100, this is 120. This Fs2 is nothing but the frictional force exerted by the wall on block P, right? The frictional force exerted by wall on block P. So we were looking for Fs2. Our answer then will be 120. And remember, if the nature was asked, we would have answered it is static friction, right? Hence, if you draw the FBD properly, you will get the answers then, right? So we'll end this video here. We'll come up with more PYQs of other chapters as well. Okay. Thank you, everyone.